Hello YouTube! Today I would like to show you one trick I saw on YouTube channel of Felix Zimler. I really recommend you to watch and subscribe his channel because there's a lot of tips and useful tricks regarding Swiss Army knives. So, what I learned, there is a Firesteel hidden in this knife. And it's exactly here. Here you can see a small hole, and here is the Firesteel, which fits really nicely after a bit of modification. So I will show you in today's video how to modify Firesteel and a little bit of this German army knife so that it fits well. You don't want to use something like this because it doesn't have 3 millimeters at all. Maybe used one that's pretty used one, maybe you can see. Maybe the 1/3 is already away, so I think this was 4 millimeters. So when it's used, maybe it's just 3 millimeters. Or here I had a flint, which is I think also 4 millimeters. So when you use it a lot, then you can use it. Or you can take something like this from special paracord with a scraper, and here is a flint, here this in the middle. So you could use something like this. It wasn't closing down properly, so I had to file down a little bit of this, and now it works fine. I'm putting it up with the flattened side, and now it fits well.